Welcome to the Comm Systems channel. In a world where information moves faster than ever, the confidentiality of sensitive data has become one of the most critical challenges facing modern organizations. Whether it's personal records, financial transactions, or corporate communications, protecting that information from unauthorized access is essential, and that's where secure large bandwidth fiber optic networks make all the difference. At Comm Systems, we design and install high-performance fiber optic infrastructures that don't just deliver speed, they deliver security, reliability, and peace of mind. Fiber optics transmit data using pulses of light instead of electrical signals, meaning there's no radiated energy for hackers to intercept. This makes them nearly impossible to tap without detection, ensuring that your most confidential communications remain private. Large bandwidth applications like cloud computing, video conferencing, financial trading systems, and secure data backups rely on fast, interference-free data transmission. Fiber optic networks provide the capacity to handle these massive data flows with low latency and strong encryption compatibility, reducing the risk of breaches and data leaks. Imagine hospitals transmitting patient records, banks processing millions of secure transactions, or corporate executives conducting virtual meetings across continents, all without compromising data integrity. That's the power of a well-designed fiber-based communication network. At Comm Systems, our mission is to help businesses and institutions safeguard their data while optimizing performance. We use only top-quality components, certified testing equipment, and advanced installation practices to ensure your network not only meets but exceeds industry security standards. Because in today's digital landscape, confidentiality isn't optional, it's a core part of your organization's defense strategy. Thank you for tuning in to the Comm Systems channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert insights on secure communication solutions. Call us at 888-501-5885 or visit us online at www.dvcsny.com.